Grande Container House creates a diverse living space. Grande, as an experienced marketing expert for house, has launched a number of surprising foldable container houses so far. It not only has innovative appearance and structure, but also has diversified application functions, brings convenience and comfort for living and work. Whether you want a stylish and comfortable holiday villa, an interesting coffee shop, or a convenient and quick public facility, Grande Container House can provide you unlimited surprises. As a new building material, Grande Container House are different from traditional buildings in appearance and structure. But do not try to think that has cold feeling of metal. On the contrary, Grande Container House is a combination of fashion and comfort. Let's start with residential applications. Whether it is used as a holiday villa, RV camping site, or in a tourist resort, Grande Container House can meet all your needs. What's more interesting is that we can combine with traditional architecture and incorporate various residential forms such as villas and apartments in the design to make your home unique. Business applications are both okay for us. Want to create a special KTV or bar or a surprise cafe? We can easily do it for you. Not only can meet customizing need, but our design is also full of super creative playability. Let your shop become a new bright spot in the city. Public facilities are also one of our advantage. In temporary isolation points, mobile bus stations, or for tourist attractions toilets, Grande Container Houses provides convenient and fast services for the public. Whether in the city or the countryside, we can bring you convenience. There are also many variations for office applications. Whether it is an individual office or a conference room, Grande can easily meet your needing. Moreover, Grande Container House can also support some operations, such as removing exterior walls, replacing doors and windows, etc., which can make your office look new and fresh. The Grande Container House not only brings you surprises, but also injects new power into the modern city building. It makes us full of infinite imagination for future urban construction. Come and use our container house and feel the charming of novel architecture.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.